Hello YouTube family, it's Minnie here. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I have some hauls to show you, and these hauls are from Simple Stories and Office Supply. This haul is from last month, and I almost didn't want to do it, but I wanted to just kind of keep track of how much I paid for certain things so that in the future when I'm buying these things again, I can go back to these videos and see, how much I paid so that I'm not overspending on my supplies. It is a fun haul, so let's get into it. I'm going to start with my office supplies purchase first. We're going to start with this little note cards. These are 40 note cards from Maggie Holmes Woodland Grove, and do a quick little flip through. And this is very pretty, and I think you can use it with other collections as well. Anytime I'm making something, I feel like I'm always short of ephemeras, journaling cards, and embellishments. So I thought this would be nice to have in my stash to use it on any projects. And this was $1.65. And then the next thing I have is Poppies and Roses ephemera, 52 pieces. And this was $1.11. Let me actually flip back and show you guys the ephemeras that I'm getting. And then the next thing is from Bo Bunny, Charmed Chronicles. This is also, a set of ephemeras and note cards, journaling cards, and things like that. And here's the picture of what's in the packet. And this is $1.65. And then this product is new to me. This is by DCWV. I don't have a price on this, but it was, I think, either $2 or less. And then you get 16 sheets of 6x6 burlap paper. I've never seen anything like this before, and I don't have any idea how I'm going to use it right now, but I'm pretty sure a perfect project will come along for this. But it's very pretty and very neutral patterns and neutral colors, so and it'll give a really nice texture. And you can smell the burlap too. And then the next 6x6 paper pad I have is called Woodland Forest. This is by, is it Pebbles? I don't know the brand of this, but this was $2.21. I want to say Pebbles. And so definitely has a fall vibe. And 36 pages for $2.21. And then the next 6x6 paper I have are Moonstruck by Pink Paisley. And then this was $2.21, and we'll do a quick flip through. I love anything floral, like with a dark background, so this is a wonderful paper pad for me. Especially this page, I think is so beautiful. Okay, and then I have some 6x8 size papers. I'm going to save my favorite ones for the last, but these are what I have. So we have Art Walk here by Heidi Swapp. This was $2.47, and we'll do a quick flip through. I actually have a 12x12 version of this too. This is kind of just a blank paper, it looks like. It's got a little bit of color to it, but other than that, it's just very blank. So again, this is by Heidi Swapp. Then the next one I have is, it's called Cutie Pie by American Craft, and this one was $2.94. This one is very fun paper pad too, especially like this page here. This is so cute. So there's that. And then the next two are from Bo Bunny. These are 36 pages as well. And these are all single-sided, by the way. I don't think I got anything double-sided. There's that one. And this one is Beautiful Things by Bo Bunny. This one has a lot of butterflies too. I don't know how old these papers are, like from which year. But I thought the prices were really good for these pads. Okay, and then my favorite ones are the Maggie Holmes ones from the Parasol and the Woodland Grove. So we'll do a quick, oh, I have not opened this yet. Let's do this one, and then I'll open that in a little bit. So this one is Parasol, 36 sheets, $3.19. Again, compared to the other ones, this this is priced higher, but I really wanted this paper pad, and I did get 12 by 12 size of this collection too. So let me quickly open the Woodlands Grove. Okay, so here is Woodland Grove, and we'll do a quick flip through of this. This is so beautiful. I don't know if I'm ever going to use these two paper pads because they're just so adorable. And then this one was $3.30 and this one was $3.19. So Woodland Grove was a little bit more pricier than Parasol. And then while we're on these two, let's just look at the 12 by 12 version of this. And I kind of want to do the comparison of the size of the patterns. So this is what it looks like, the papers, and I just wanted to see how big the patterns are. Okay, I'm trying to get to the same page. And then, by the way, the 48 or the 12 by 12 size papers are 48 sheets, and the 6 by 8 papers are 36 sheets. So you definitely get more bang for your buck with the bigger size paper. So just wanted to show you guys the size of the pattern or the pictures or whatever's on the paper. So, because sometimes I like the smaller size of the patterns, but I like it in the 12 by 12 size. But just to kind of show you guys what that looks like. And then the 12 by 12 paper pad is $7.45. And then here's the Parasol. This is 48 sheets as well, and this one is $7.43. And then we'll do a quick flip through. So you do get few extra, I think about 12 more pages or papers on the 12 by 12 size compared to the 6 by 8s. I think we missed a few. There we go. And then I got some cardstock papers. I got two of them. These are by Colorbok. Now, these are both 30 sheets. And online, they said they were both 78 pounds. This one, the craft paper, they're very thin and flimsy. Whereas these ones, the White Promenade, the pastel colors here, these are more on the thicker side, like real cardstock papers. So I don't know how they labeled this one as 78 pounds, but I can use this for, not as cardstock obviously, but something else because it's just plain craft paper color. So, but that was kind of a discrepancy on this one that, it wasn't the right weight paper. And then the last thing, these were $3.30 for the craft paper. And then, I did not get a price on this one. I'll try to look it up and put it in the description box, the price for this White Promenade paper pack. And then the last thing I got from Office Supply was this Candy Cane Christmas. I don't have a price on this one either because they're sold out and my receipt didn't have the price on it. So and these are double-sided papers. There's 18 sheets, 200 GSM. So nice weight to it. And, mainly pink themed Christmas paper. Fun designs. I'm probably going to use this paper pack next year. I already have a paper pad that I'm working on right now, which I'm probably going to finish in December this month, and then that's going to be it for Christmas for this year because I don't have a whole lot of time to work on it. So that's it for Office Supplies. And then now moving on to Simple Stories. For this one, I'll just quickly show you what I got. So they had a Black Friday deal where you get the 16-pack of 6x8 paper pad bundle for $30 each. And then you get 20% off of that. So after I did all the math, it was $1.50 per paper pad. And then they had the 20-pack stickers for $10, and then with the 20% off, that ends up being 40 cents each. And then you have to do to get free shipping, you have to buy $75 worth of stuff. So my total was 80. So let's go through what we got. So this is the first pack. I've already opened this and used a ton of papers. I made boxes, and not boxes, baggies, little gift baggies out of these that I'll be using for myself. So I got the boho Christmas, and I got two of the bundles, and most of the pads are the same except for I think one or two, and we'll open the other one soon too. So I won't flip through all the pages. We'll just kind of look at the front of the pad. So this one, Simple Vintage Yuletide. This one is Remember Me. I've used a lot of papers out of this already. This is so beautiful paper pad. And then Fur Baby, Happy Travels, Sunny Days, Simple Vintage Scary Stories. So they've, I think, kind of tried to cover like every season, every holiday kind of a thing. So you get a little bit of everything. True Colors, Just Beachy, Heartstrings, Spooky Things. This one is Fabulous, Summer Snapshot, Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze. I don't think I've opened this one yet. Fresh Air. And last one, Simple Vintage Woodlands. So this is one pack. And then the next pack I have is Remember, which we already have. Happy Travels, which we got on the other pack. Simple Vintage Yuletide, Sunny Days, For a Baby, Simple Vintage Scary Stories, Boho Christmas, True Colors, Simple Vintage Woodlands, Fresh Air, Summer Snapshot. I wonder if, I feel like I didn't get this one. Or maybe we did. Okay, I don't remember going through this one. So I think this may be a different pack. And then Just Beachy, Heartstrings, Spooky Things, Fabulous, and Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze. And then for the stickers, I have this one here that I opened and used already. And so I have 4 of these. We'll go through 2 of them because most of them should be the same things anyway. So I have Boho Christmas here, which will go with the paper pack too. Simple Vintage Yuletide. We have the paper pack for that too. On this one, we don't Crafty Things, Fresh Air, True Colors, Just Beachy, Acorn Lane, Mother's Day, Noteworthy, Spooky Things. So we have paper pack for this too. Father's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Pack Your Bags, For the Record, Simple Vintage Scary Stories. We have paper pack for this too. For the Record, for this one too. Graduation, Happy New Year, Crafty Babe, and Front Porch. So that's one pack of 20 sticker sheets. And then so we'll quickly open another one to see if there's anything different from that pack. Okay, so we got Acorn Lane, Front Porch, Simple Vintage Yuletide, Noteworthy, Boho Christmas, Father's Day, Spooky Things, St. Patrick's Day, Fresh Air, Crafty Things, Pack Your Bags, For the Record. I'll have 2 for the record. One is with all the months, and then the other one with different things. And then I have Graduation, New Year, True Colors, Mother's Day, Simple Vintage Scary Stories. So pretty much exactly the same thing as the other pack. So, but these are definitely the best prices that you're going to get for stickers. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.